I believe that the feet is the base of our body. So it's like a house. If you have a bad foundation, you can use beautiful materials, you will always have crack on the wall. Let your feet discover, let your feet connect you with who we are, nature. You know, we are part of nature before. So being able to be more grounded, to be more connected with the ground, to understand this biomechanics of the feet, to understand the mobility of the feet, and to clean all the potential problems from nails, from skin, then you connect better with the ground. Walking with consciousness, being able to understand and feel what's happening under the feet, but also through the whole body, it's something fantastic. The day you stop walking in life is the start of the end of your journey on planet. More you walk, more you sustain yourself. And what I want is to help people on their journey leaving my studio to walk better for their future. And putting that first step into like a new journey, starting with their feet. And having learned something from us, feeling problem have a solution, and engage with themselves on a part of their body being neglected for so many years. I am Bastien Gonzalez. This is Serenity at the Datai Well-being.
Hi, and welcome back to Serenity, the Datai Well-being Series at the Datai Well-being. This episode features Bastien Gonzalez, an internationally renowned podiatrist from France, combining medical expertise, restorative massage, and natural nail care. He elevates foot therapy into holistic sensory experience. With a focus on comfort, precision, and reconnection, Bastien's treatment offers a profound sense of release and renewal. We look forward to welcoming you to the Datai Well-being, where your journey to serenity awaits.